Today, I will be going over 5 reasons why you're broke and will probably stay that way. But don't worry, at the end of the video, I have a solution to this problem. See, most people live paycheck to paycheck, which is very sad. And especially with the internet today, social media, it's easier than ever to have a side hustle job. And with today's economy, it's almost necessary to get ahead. But no matter how good the side hustle is or how amazing the offer is, so many people come up with excuses as to why they can't earn extra money, leaving them in this paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. But before I go over these 5 things keeping you broke, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're interested in creating both financial and time freedom through the use of residual income, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel because that's all we talk about here. Hi, my name's Jason, and let's dive into today's video. So here are the 5 excuses people come up with so that they will never succeed in anything. Number 1, I'm broke. Yeah, you are. That's why you need to change something. That's why you need to start a side hustle to generate residual income and achieve financial freedom, or nothing will change. Because what you're doing right now obviously is not working for you. And if you don't change anything, nothing will change. Wow, that sounded profound, but it's totally true. Next is, I don't have time. Then it might be time for you to switch some things around and get your priorities straight. Because until you're earning residual income, which means you get paid month after month for the work that you did one time, until you're earning that, you'll never have the time. You need to start getting paid without trading your hours in. If you want to learn how, click the first link in the description below. It'll take you step by step exactly how to start earning residual income. The next thing people say is show me the proof. I've posted results on my Facebook, and if you go to the HBA website, they got testimonials and results there, as well as their Facebook group. People are posting results all the time. But let's not focus on that. Let me turn this around on you. Show me the results of what you're doing right now. If you're not financially free, if you are living paycheck to paycheck, the results of what you're doing right now is not working. There's literally nothing for you to lose because it can only get better from there. The next excuse is let me think. We all want to make a well-informed decision. And so if you want to think over it for an hour or sleep on it and think about it for a day or two, that's totally fine. I get it. Understandable. It makes sense. However, if you're going weeks or months thinking about it, that's longer that you're not going to be financially free. That's longer that you're one source of income away from totally losing everything, and you and your family are now struggling. And then, of course, you got this excuse. Oh, that's a scam. No, it's not. I've gotten and have shown my results. The scam is living paycheck to paycheck. The scam is losing your one source of income that you and your family desperately rely on. The scam is spending over 1/3 of your time away from your house, away from your family. And then when you are with them, you're out of energy and you just want to relax so that you have the energy to go back away from your family to continue working. That's the biggest scam of them all. The scam is working 40 plus years to finally retire when you're too old to enjoy it. The scam is trading your hours for money and slaving your life away so you can never live your life. You don't need excuses. Excuses will get you nowhere. You need results. I've shown you I can get them, and you can too. So stop wasting your time with these excuses or nothing will change in your life. Take action of your life today by clicking on the first link below to start earning residual income that will give you both financial and time freedom. So check it out in the link below. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. And if you are interested in earning residual income, then I suggest checking out this video to see where to begin. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.